Blake, are you okay?
Oh, I can't find my good webcam anywhere. Like, I have a blind date in like just a few minutes, and you know, this one just is not good quality, and I have to look good.
I have just the thing.
Welcome back, tech heads.
Kevin and Blake here.
Okay, Kev, we have to hurry because she's gonna call like any minute now. So how do we use my phone as a webcam?
Let's go! Step 1. First, we'll need to download this Techtastic app onto your phone. And don't worry, it is free.
Wait. Should I use my Android or my iPhone?
Either. So open up the app on your device and type in Iriun in the search bar. You should see this icon pop up. Go ahead and download that onto your device. Step 2. Next, grab your computer and type in iriun.com in the browser. Once that loads, you should see a website with a cute little kitty cat on the home page. Isn't he cute?
Oh, Kevin, we don't have time for this.
But he's cute. Look at him.
Okay, yeah, the cat's cute.
Step 3. Download the driver onto your computer. Not that kind of driver. You have the driver options for Windows, for Mac, or Ubuntu, whatever the heck that is. Once downloaded, open the installer package and follow the instructions on screen to successfully install the driver. Step 4. Open the newly installed app driver on your computer. On your phone, open the app as well and follow the instructions to the main preview screen.
All right, Kev, this is all fine and dandy so far, but how do I hook this new webcam up to Zoom?
Easy! Bonus tip! In your Zoom settings, click on the Video tab on the left-hand side of the settings window. Click on the camera drop-down menu and choose your newly installed webcam from the list. However, keep in mind, if you have an iPhone specifically, you should really watch this video of another Techtastic webcam app with amazing features.